Hello everyone, now we'll solve the next problem. In this problem, they are asking us to show these points are the collinear points. These points are taken as a P point, Q point, R points. First of all, I explain what is collinear. Collinear means nothing but the points lies on the same line. So those points used to call the collinear points. Say for an example, here we have taken P, Q, R, no. So if it's a straight line, P point, Q point and R point. If these 3 points lies on the same line, we can say as a collinear points. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is, first we need to find the distance between PQ. Then we have to find the distance between QR. Then we have to find the distance between PR, this distance. So here the rules, what it says is to check the collinear, PR, the distance between PR which is equal to PQ plus QR. If this satisfies this particular condition, then we can say these points are the collinear points. That means what? PQ plus QR which is equal to PR. So first we'll find the PQ distance. Okay. Distance between PQ points. Here we'll take P and Q points. We are going to find the distance between these 2 points. First we'll refer this as a X1, Y1 and Z1, and this is X2, Y2 and Z2 point. Now you know the distance formula, the square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. Here we are added z2 minus z1 the whole square. Why? Because this is 3D geometry. So if it is only 2D, x and y axis means we will write only these 2 values. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square we will write. Now because this is 3D, we are writing z2 minus z1 the whole square. 3D means this is like this. X axis will be there and the y axis, then the z axis. Now we find the distance. Now PQ equal to square root of this x2. x2 is nothing but 1 minus x1 is nothing but minus 2 the whole square plus y2. y2 is nothing but 2 minus y1 is nothing but 3 the whole square plus z2 is nothing but 3 minus z1 is nothing but 5 the whole square. So now the PQ, the distance equal to minus into minus will become plus. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2 the whole square. So PQ equal to square root of 3 square is nothing but 9 plus minus 1. When you square the minus, that is a negative value, it become a positive. Okay, so now it become 1 square is nothing but 1 plus here also same thing, negative when you square it, negative will become a positive. Okay, so minus become plus, 2 to the 4. So how much will get? Square root of 14 will get. So PQ is nothing but root 14. Now we will find the distance between QR point. Okay now, so QR. Same formula we use it. Here when you want to find the QR distance, now we will take this is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2 points. Okay. So now the x2 is 7, write it 7 minus x1 is 1 the whole square plus y2 is 0 and y1 here is 2 the whole square plus z2 is minus 1 and minus 3 the whole square. Now square root of 7 minus 1 is 6 square plus minus 2 the whole square plus minus both are same sign, so we will add it minus 4 the whole square. So now square root of 6 square is 36 plus when you square the minus become a positive, then 2 square is nothing but 4 plus here also become positive, 4 square is 60. So we will get 56 will get square root of 56, that is QR distance. Root 56 we can write it like square root of 4 into 14. 4 we can take it outside, so 2 root 14 will be the distance between QR point. Now we will find the distance between PR point. So here this is x2, y2, z2 and that we are taking x1, y1, z1. We are using the same formula. x2 is nothing but square root of 7 minus 2 the whole square. Here this minus is a formula minus and this minus is nothing but the value minus plus y2 is 0 minus here 3 y1 is 3 the whole square plus Z2 is minus 1 and Z1 is 5. So minus 5 the whole square. So PR is nothing but square root of minus into minus will become plus. 7 plus 2 is 9 square plus minus 3 the whole square plus both are minus, so it will become minus 6 the whole square. So PR equal to square root of 9 square is nothing but 81 plus when you square the negative value it will become positive. So we will get 3 square is 9 plus here also become positive, 6 square is 36. So if we add we will get square root of 81 plus 9 is 90, 126 will get. This how we can write? We can write like square root of 9 into 14. If you take out the 9 from the square root, we will get 3 root 14. So what's the PR value? It is 3 root 14. So what you have to prove? PR equal to PQ plus QR. So we'll write it. PR equal to PQ plus QR. So PR is nothing but 3 root 14. PQ is nothing but, what's the PQ value? Root 14 plus what is QR value? 2 root 14. So if we add 2 times root 14 is there, 1 time is there. So we will get 3 root 14. So LHS equal to RHS. So therefore these points are the collinear points which lies on the same line. Understood, students?